Well, everyone, it's been interesting 2 years. I did it. I ended up pulling the trigger and getting a Fat Boy S in Denim Black. The last videos from 2 years ago from my 48 that I hot rodded out, and I said I would keep that bike forever, and unfortunately I did trade that in for this sexy beast. This bike right here has actually been a dream bike of mine since I was 11 years old when Terminator 2 came out, when Arnie slung his leg over one of these Fat Boys for the big silver screen. The biggest reason why I ended up pulling the trigger on this is I absolutely hate the 2018 Fat Boy. I actually hate a lot of the bikes that came out this year. So I hurried up and pulled the trigger on this dying breed of sexiness, the 2017 Fat Boy S in the Denim Black, knowing that this bike, this look, is gone forever. What Harley's doing with the 2018s on. So got her Saturday. It's a beautiful Monday afternoon, so I've only put about 50-60 miles on her. There's 72 miles on her. The Worth Harley Davidson up North KC delivered her to my doorstep and took my my old bike. I have some great memories with that bike, lots of mods, but it's time to jump into the dream bike because it was going to be gone forever. So I'm absolutely thrilled. Though it was sad getting rid of that 48, it was worth it to get into this bike. There is very little stuff I'm going to do to it. I know I like the Burst line of the Burst collection that Harley provides. I put a lot of that on the 48. I'm going to actually transfer a lot of the styling from my 48 to this bike. Getting rid of those stock pipes at the 1,000-mile checkup, which I'll probably be able to do here in the next month or so. When I advance behind short shots, I'll eventually do the Roland Sands air cleaner, the exact same style, the Mission contrast cut that I had on my 48. I'm going to put a sissy bar for my daughter, my 13-year-old daughter. She likes riding with me. I'm going to lay down that license plate, and I'm going to actually put the Street Slammer bars up there, and I'm going to put that silver Kiriak and Halo ring headlight on her, just like I had them on the 48. So a lot of the styling on the 48, I'm going to transfer over to this 110 beast of an engine. I am absolutely thrilled and could not be. I'm kind of pinching myself that I'm in this bike. I'm 37 years old. I've wanted this bike since I was 11, so it's been a long time coming. But she's here. I got her before this classic beast is gone forever with that atrocity that Harley's trying to come out with this with the 2018 lineup. So stay tuned as I start doing the mods to my 2017 Fat Boy S. Stay tuned.